How to fix Instagram Reels auto scroll option not showing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if the Instagram Reels auto scroll option is not available in your device. The first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app. Now, if you tap on these three dots, you should find the option of auto scroll. However, if you do not find it, then the first solution is to update your application. For that, launch open Play Store if you are on your Android device or open App Store on iOS. Now you want to tap on the search bar. Here search Instagram. Now if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now open Instagram and check if that feature is available. If it is still not available, then you simply want to head over to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and select Help. Now select Report a Problem. Tap on Report Problem. Tap on Include and Continue, and here you want to explain your issue. So go ahead and type in that the feature of auto scroll is not available in your account. You can attach screenshots here if you want, then tap on the send option. Now Instagram team will look into your issue and help you fix that. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.